So here's how you use the translator. This is an English to X translator, which translates from English to many other languages. I tried to get kind of the top 10 most spoken languages here. So what you would use this for is localizing your website or your advertising campaigns. They're pretty good, but I'm not a local speaker in any of these. They seem to work well using like Google Translate. They translate back into things that kind of make sense. But it's a stepping stone. Use this as a stepping stone. So when you're working on a startup and you want to offer localization because you identified other target markets, you would start with this tool, and then over time you would hire like a localizer once you're making more money in that target market to make it make more sense to them. So by default, French is selected. You can click any green one to deselect, or click any black one, or if you're in light mode, click any white one to select. Okay, let's try it out. GPTBoss is a web app that provides AI-powered employees, generators, and translation. Now, I learned how to read French in high school, so that's the one that I've tested it on, and it like, yeah, GPT-Boss is an application for the web, which, I don't know this one, the employees to help from AI, and generators and translators, right? And I took a little bit of Duolingo and Portuguese, but I don't really know it, and I am hopeless for reading React. But this is the way that you do it. You put it in one at a time. There's a message length maximum, and as far as your tokens go, tokens are about, like, a word is about 0.7 of a token. Or sorry, tokens are 0.7 of a word. So this message that we put in, this was 13 words, and so our tokens that we would use, 13 times 0.7, is sorry, the other way around. So 13 divided by 0.7. So we would have used 18 and a half tokens, probably 19 tokens. And then the way that this works is that for each translation, that kind of multiplies the tokens. So if we just wanted to do French, then this would be 19 tokens to read and 19 tokens to write about. Okay? But if you add in more languages, then it starts using more and more. However, you've got this word limit for the message down here. About 2,000 words is the maximum that you could input per message that you want to get translated. These are unique calls. So each call, you could select literally every language on here and put in all 2,000 messages at once, and everything will work correctly. It's a big call, and it's just about over the free trial limit. So if you wanted to translate like one big block of text one time, you could use all your free tokens to do that. If you want to do a lot of translation, I recommend getting the enterprise level, this $100 a month, because this 15,000 tokens is 15,000 tokens is about 1 million words. So you could translate 1 million words for $100, which is pretty good.